Well. So you've seen my sister's video on the perfect grilled cheese sandwich. So delicious. And today, we will be showing you our slime collection. I'm Ashna's brother, and we're part of the Twinkies! Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the blue metallic slime, and our slime collection has every really popular slime. The blue metallic, it's metallic slime. The Floam is blue sky. This is fluffy white slime. This is gold fishbowl, and this is like regular slime. And these are all four of these are made. This one's made by Khadija, and this one's made by Sanjana. So if you want to buy her slime, go to Etsy.com and type in slimes to go, and her name will pop up. And she makes some really good slimes. As you can see, I have magician's powers. So this is my fluffy white slime that I love so much. My beautiful white fluffy slime is one of my favorites actually because it's just really good. I like fluffy slime because it's really good. It's kind of like butter slime as well. It's I don't know if it's the easiest, but it's the most fun to play with in my opinion. So it's extremely stretchy. It has good clicky sounds, and it's very fun to play with. A couple of tips like with this is if it gets a bit too sticky, because this is meant for stretching, and if it gets too sticky and it gets sticks to your fingers, then add baby oil or like any type of oil to it. Just make sure it at least smells good. But if it's like breakable like this and it breaks apart like that, then you should add baby oil as well, or any oil, like I said before. And if it's really dry and doughy, like you'd play with like Play-Doh or something, you have to add water to it and then a bit of activator to it, which is borax or something like that, borax solution. And the thing, another tip is that if you want to make a really good unicorn poo, as I would like to say, or soft serve in my opinion, you have to do something like this, like at least 20 times. You have to stretch it if you want a good one 20 times. I usually do like 10, so I'm just gonna do it kind of quickly. And yeah, I'm gonna just do 5 because 5 still gets a good effect. See? So that's really good. And now on to the next slime. Okay, so now on to my Floam. Floam is, I don't know, a bit sticky because you need to hold in these, I don't know how to call it, those foam beads, I'm just going to say. And Floam is really good for stretching. It's really good. It feels really nice in your hands. And it just is really sticky, but if you don't like that, I kind of like it because it feels really nice in your hands when it sticks. If you don't like that, remember, just add baby oil. And this also makes a good unicorn poo because it's a bit stretchier than this. But the bad thing about this is that you can't hear like that good sound like that you want to see. Yeah, so a tip for Floam is that if your beads keep falling off at like crazy numbers, add like maybe 2 or 3 drops of activator and then mix, and then if it's still like that, add a bit more activator and just keep doing that. If it's too like sticky, like say do this and it's like, ugh, like mine is kind of really sticky right now. Oh my god. Yeah. So if you need to do that every time you play with it, then there's how you made it. Yeah, so onto my fishbowl slime. Fishbowl is really awkward, but I like it. It's really fun to play with. It kind of looks like earwax, but super stretchy, doesn't stick too much. It's not like as good as you think it is, but it's fun in my opinion. But like if your slime is like it's not sticky, but like every time you play with it, you get like glue and you have to like peel off the glue. Like that sucks, you know. Like if you have to do that, always add. You can't do anything by your slime, but you can do it by your hands. Add like dip your hands in like dip it, like take like a drop of oil and like spread it across your hand and before playing, and then it won't ever stick to you. Like my hand's already a bit oily, and so if you do that, it's not gonna stick to you. So that's how I overcame. This used to be really sticky. Let me stretch it. Give me a second. To stretch it, you have to kind of do like a big process. It looks really beautiful. It looks like, I don't know if there's, ooh, bubbles. I'll show you the new bubbles in a couple seconds. Okay. Bubbles. Let's move on to bubbles. But you can't really do bubbles with this because it pops. Like, yeah, it breaks. But, yeah, so on to the next slide. Okay. So now to our regular slide. Okay, let's stretch it in. Oh. Yeah, stretching is really fun. Bubbles are really fun as well. So to create bubbles, you do kind of stretch it out. You do that. Oh my god! That was like the biggest bubble I've ever created. Okay, new special edition, Arsh Raja, the slide version. Okay, so let me try that again. I want to see if I can do that again, because if it does one time, oh my god! I am the bubble hero. That is lit. That was enormous. Okay, so you can also cut it. It's really fun to cut. Unlike other slimes, this is easy to cut, really fun, and so I'll start cutting. Oh yeah. Yeah. So I have ninja skills, as you can see, and I cut this in half without a scissor. So yeah, it's really fun to cut. I like to make sausages out of it, and then like do something like that, and so I'll be going on to the next and last slime. Yep, and that's how you turn regular slime into some beautiful metallic slime. Yeah, this is really fun. We just got this today. It's really, I like it. It's okay, I guess. It breaks really easily. I'm going to try to do that recipe that I got on the internet. See, this is not stretchy at all. See, it just like rips apart. This is kind of like the fish bowl, except it's like most fish bowls. Ooh, yeah, it's kind of sticky, I guess. Nothing that I like, but my sister likes it very much. And it feels really nice between your hands. So, thank you for watching my video. And I will see you next time with Ashna's video next week. Bye! Well.
Okay, you know what? Let's do it when you're...
Well. So you see.